How to change video speed in Canva. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your video speed in Canva. So first up, you'd want to go into the create button here after you go onto canva.com. Click that. You're going to want to click video and it'll bring you to this site right here with this white page. Now, if you have your own video, you can drag and drop from your file explorer. But in this example, I'm going to go and use one of their stock footage from design, find dog, one over here, click it and drag it here. Now, once that is done, you would want to pick the section that you want to speed up or slow down. So for instance, I want to speed up right here. And after that, right here, I want to click on split page. You can use S for shortcut. And I want to speed it up until this part of the video. So I right click here and click split page again. And then I select this part, which I want to make fast. And once you have select your element here, you're going to want to click on this video portion here. Click on this edit here, as in the top left corner, and then you can adjust your video speed to be faster. In this instance, I want to be 2 times faster. Let's replay that. It's going to be faster for this portion. If you want to slow it down, you can go back to edit here once you've selected, and you can adjust to 0.5, or if you want to custom the speed, you can adjust to 0.6. Just hit enter, and then you can see that the video has been slowed down for this portion. And that is how you change the speed of your video in Canva.